All right, I think last week I gave you a tour of the back of the office for what I see from my chair. Today I'm going to give you a tour from what you see when you walk into my office to see how it actually all works together. Okay, here's where everything happens. I sit in this desk right here. This is the desk I built from something at Home Depot that I just covered it in and shiplap or whatever that's called. There is my Secret Labs gaming chair that is literally the ultimate chair for office meetings when you spend 8 to 10 hours a day sitting down. This is my Elgato teleprompter that I just employed into this workflow. I can't say enough nice things about the Elgato teleprompter. There is a flaw I will point out in another video that I found, but this is what sits behind it. 35mm lens, Canon RP EOS, and then that goes into a Camlink 4K into the back of the docking station. I have all the peripherals inside of that docking station because I wanted all my wires to be centralized throughout this whole desk. On either side of my teleprompter, which also serves as a monitor, I have two 34-inch LG ultra wides that run in 4K. I then use the Shure boom mic, and then I have the mic above me, the Shure MV7, and then that way I don't have to see it on the screen because it's literally above my head on that shot. So from the teleprompter, you don't actually see the mic. And then for my lighting, I have the Amaron 150C on that side on a ceiling boom. And then that's my key light. And then on my fill light is the Amaron 60, again on a ceiling boom. And then for my hair or rim light, I have the Elgato key light. And that way I can set up everything up with a multi-action button on the Stream Deck over there. So when I turn my lights on, all three of those lights turn on. My backdrops, what I've been working on, this is the wood slat acoustic panels. And then I have LED lighting on there. And then I have accent brass pieces that you can see reflect the lighting from the hue plays on both sides here. That way, anybody, when I'm in a meeting and I have a special brand and somebody's green and yellow, I can switch those lights to green and or yellow. I then extended all of this around. So all this wood paneling, acoustic paneling goes all the way around this office. And then this ceiling is getting painted black next week as well. And then I'm gonna build a false ceiling that hangs down below that because I have all my power running from that, what used to be a light. I have it running over there, which then I put a 30 amp fuse on that. And then I ran it down below. And so all the power is actually underneath the desk. There's some optional panels over there that you can see that run the LED lights right here, and then also run all of these ceiling boom mics. I also had to run, underneath the desk is a 10 gig switch because this is not running off a wireless. This is actually running off of a Cat 6A cable that, again, I ran underneath the carpet, up the salt paneling. You can see a little bit of it right there. I gotta paint that. And then it runs all the way all over these ducts, HVACs, all the way to my router over there. Oh, by the way, I painted this whole office basement a dark kind of charcoal gray. Again, this whole ceiling is getting painted black, and I'm sure there's other stuff that I'm going to do at some point. Well, okay, that's the update as of today of where I'm at from the backside of the office. I actually haven't started decorating or running accent lights all over that wall. That's a future project to come. And if you were paying attention, did you see the Cisco Desk Pro device in the corner in the box? I wonder what I got planned for that thing. I wonder if you're at Infocom, there's going to be an announcement of sorts. We'll find out. I'm Patrick Kelly, the Tattooed Nerd.